Microsoft Office is super popular for handling everyday tasks like typing up Word documents, creating slides, or crunching numbers for daily expenses. It features a user-friendly interface that most people find easy to navigate. However, it can be a bit pricey, and depending on the plan, you might end up spending a good chunk of change each month or year. So in today's video, we're diving into 7 fantastic free alternatives to Microsoft Office that you'll actually love. Apache OpenOffice. Kicking things off at number 7 is Apache OpenOffice. This open source software is compatible with Windows, Linux, and Mac operating systems. It's simple and a breeze for beginners to use, allowing you to open and edit Microsoft Office files since it supports various common formats like XML, DOC, and PPT. Unlike Microsoft Office, this software is lightweight and can run smoothly on low-spec computers. Even though there aren't major updates, it does a great job at handling your everyday tasks. Zoho Docs. Next up is Zoho Docs, a fantastic online platform similar to Microsoft Office. With Zoho Docs, you get 5 GB of free cloud storage, and you can upload files up to 1 GB. This means a team of up to 5 members can collaborate without spending a dime. Plus, you can create spreadsheets, presentations, or documents just like you would in Microsoft Office, and it comes with all the essential features you need. The regular updates are definitely a bonus. WPS Office. Coming in strong, WPS Office is one of the most popular alternatives to Microsoft Office. It's available for free on most platforms, including Windows, Mac, and Linux, and you can also use it on Android and iOS devices. With its small file size, it's perfect for PCs with limited storage. The tabs and ribbons are quite similar to Microsoft Office, making it user-friendly for newcomers. You can open documents, spreadsheets, or presentations in the same window, just like in a desktop browser. FreeOffice. Another great option is FreeOffice. This cross-platform suite offers 3 tools: TextMaker, PlanMaker, and Presentations. Each of these tools boasts features similar to those in Microsoft Office, and the interface closely resembles it too, thanks to customizable menus and ribbons. You'll also find some fantastic extras like spelling checks, cross-references, and footnotes. FreeOffice works beautifully on computers and Android phones, and its compatibility with Microsoft Office file formats allows for easy sharing without any conversion hassle. Google Workspace. Then we have Google Workspace, an online alternative to Microsoft Office. It includes 8 products, offering alternatives to PowerPoint, Word, and Excel. All you need is a Google account to access these tools online through any web browser or via its mobile app. It has great compatibility with Microsoft Office files and comes with free templates for documents and presentations. Plus, you can easily share, edit, and view files with others. OnlyOffice. In the runner-up spot, we have OnlyOffice, a suite of applications available in both paid and free editions, compatible with Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Like Google Workspace, it allows for team collaboration to edit, suggest, and view files. The source code is available on GitHub, so anyone can access and modify it. With an interface similar to Microsoft Office, you'll be up and running in no time. There might be some minor formatting issues, but overall, it's a solid choice. LibreOffice. Last but not least, we have LibreOffice, the first alternative on our list. Like many other options here, it's open source and available on multiple platforms. This suite includes 6 different products, including alternatives to Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Plus, you get 3 additional software options for vector graphics, databases, and math. When it comes to file compatibility, LibreOffice is quite impressive, and you can even install many templates for free from their website. So that wraps up our list of 7 free Microsoft Office alternatives that are genuinely great. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon if you want to see more awesome content like this in your feed.